Steel stems rising through the mist, where eagles learn to drift and twist. No soil, no seed, yet something grows, a garden that the whole world knows. The shepherds watched and called it strange, white giants turning on the range. But time will tell what truth reveals. The future turns on silent wheels. Flowers on mountain head was not fool's passion. It was an intelligent and natural way of energy generation, spinning slow. Invaders on the stone, they're dancing with the wind alone. Three blades bow to every breeze, harvesting storms with graceful ease. No smoke to choke the morning sky, just shadows where the falcons fly. Grandfather said the land was bare, now it hums with cleaner air. What seemed like toil